so that's the beginning of Highway Song by Blackfoot. We've got an E minor 7. You really just need the 2 on the D and the 3 on the B string there. We're gonna go big E and then jump down to that 2 on the D. Hit the G string after that, and then we're gonna come down strings 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got. So if you notice, that first big E was a full note, a quarter note, and then it's like 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, then we're gonna get into a C chord, but we're gonna slide this ring finger from 2 into 3 real quick. I'm gonna slide that 3 into the 5 over here, so we have like a C chord. I slid the 2 to 3, and then I have the first fret of the 2nd string and open G string there. So 3 to 5. We keep that same C shape, so we end up having that 3 to 5 slide on the A, and then 2nd string, 3rd, and 4th strings. So we got. Okay, and that's gonna go twice. Go back to a C. So we have the 5th string and then 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Put the pinky in on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, have a 3 to open G there. That's a 2 on the A to open D. And then we're into a 2 bass. So this is like that D chord with the F sharp bass, but it also has an open E string on it. So it's. So we got 6th string, and then 2nd, 3rd, 4th, open 1st to 2nd. And then we have a hammer on here, open to 2 on the A to the D string. So this measure is. Then we're back to the E minor 7. So we do that much of it, open, 2, open, little open to 3. And then we go O, 1, 2 to get into a B7 chord. So we're gonna have 2, 1, 2, open, and we're also gonna use the little E open on this one. Normally that'd be a 2 for a B7, but they're using an E on that. So it goes. So O, 1 to 2, and then 2nd string, 3rd, 4th, and then 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. And check out the free downloadable tab on this, it'll make it a lot easier. So this whole thing, we got. Like I say, that goes twice. C. D with the F sharp bass. Into the B7. Okay, and that's the first time through. The second time through is about the same. Stop right there. So we got O, 1, 2, little E string, and you wait for a second. You'll have that little pickup riff. Open to 2 on the A to the D string, and then the first little intro lead starts right there. So it's like. Okay, so we start with the 14 on the G, up and down, go to the 12 there, bend that 15 on the 2nd, couple bends on that 15, kind of a up and then a down, 12 to 15, and then kind of quick 12 to 15 to bend on that 14 on the G. So we have a 12, 15 to 14 bend, and then kind of a quicker one. So we have second time is 12, 15, bend to 14, up and down, pull off, bend that 15 again. So we had a hammer 12 to 15 with another 15, 12, bend the 15, regular 15, 14, 15, 14, little 12, bend that 15 again, 14 on the G up and down to the 12 and back to the 14, and then we end with 12, 12, 14, 12, 12, 14. So it's. Okay, and right on that note, the other guitar is popping into the. Okay, then the second time through, it's going to kind of have a little different ending. It's going to get to that E7 towards the end where you go to the B7. So it's just going to have this for the E minor 7. Strum that whole chord. That's where he sings Highway Song. So that's getting into the chorus. So we have 2, 0, 3, 0, 2. Strum the full chord with the open 2, 2, open 3, open. A couple little pickup notes. These notes aren't super important. It's just kind of you're still sort of arpeggiating the chord a bit. So I'm going 3, 0, 2, 3, 0. Then we're going to go to A minor. Okay, so A minor, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. We got 2 to 2, G to D strings, and then 3, 1 on the second. Back to the 2, 2, so it's. Now we'll put this pinky down with the A minor down here. So I went 3 open, and then 1 to 3 on the second. I went to open to 1 there, and then D chord. So we have D, and then 3 on the second. And then we have like the top of the chord, 2, 3, 2. To that pinky down there with the sus. And then we have 0, 2, 3, and 5 for a D chord with that 5 on top. Okay, and then we're back into that main rhythm in E minor. We're gonna have this solo here. 4 to 9 on the G. So that was 11, 12, 11, 14, 12. 14, 12, 14 to 12 on the G and back to that D. So it's. Okay, so we have the bend on the 14 to 12. You got that 15 after that second bend, back to the bend. This one ends on that 14. 12, 14 in the D. Quick slide down there, kind of hold that a bit, and then 10, 12, big 12. To the octave there, 12, 14. So 12, slide, 10, 12. Kind of hold that, and then 10, 12. So it ends up being. Okay, and right when that note hits, you're back in your. So we do all that kind of stuff again. We get to the. Do it again. We get to the. So this one, the picking's a little different maybe. You can always kind of mix it up. But I'm hitting that chord. I'm going 0, 2, 2, open. And then A minor. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2. Get that pinky down there. 0, 1, open. 1 to 3 there. D. Here we can have like the sus to D to sus. That D thing again. Sometimes it'll have a couple little extra notes, a little filling in space. Then we're going to pick that again, that E minor 7, and hit the whole chord again. Now this time we're jumping to a C. So the chorus always alternates where that A minor came in. It's going to be a C the next time. So I'm C, 1, open, 3, 1, open, 2. And then pinky on that C. O, and then we got the O, 1, open, 1, 3 to D. Similar to before. Okay, now we have a double lead that's coming in. Okay, so we have 2 to 4 in the G. Quick slide. 3, 5 on the B. Then we're going to kind of rake up to this 2 to 3, little 2, 3, 5 on the G, rake again, 2, 3 to 3 on the second. So 2, 3, 5 to 5. Then we're going to rake these 12s. Got 14, 15 after that. Back to 14, 12, 12, bend the 15, 15, 12. Little 14, 12 job, and then little half stepper, 17, 15, 17. And we end with a 17, 15 to 16 on the G. Kind of a quick pull off. So once again, we got. Okay, and the harmony guitar to that goes. Okay, so it's 7 to 9 on the G and then 7, 8 on the B. Kind of quick slide to get it going, just like the other one did. Now we're raking again, but we're gonna have 10 on the second, little 7 to 9 on the G. So and then we're gonna rake 10, 8, 7 on the B, and then we're gonna go 7s. So 7s rake, D, G, and B strings, 8, 10, 8. And then we're gonna come up to this E minor type shape, 16, 17, 15. So we rake that, 17, 19 to 17, and then 15, 17, 15. 15 to 15, bend the 17 a little bit, 15, 17. That same type of bend there, and then we go 19 to 15 to 17. And at that point, it's like, has a little A minor going, and then you're back to. Sets up more verses and chorus right there. Okay, so let's look at what we got so far. Like I say, you do that twice, and you got C. And like I say, the second time you have. And then that. So those all kind of work together. Okay, you got your main part, and we get into the chorus. Next solo. Okay, next chorus, a little different. And its harmony. Okay, so that's part one of Highway Song. We'll get into the rhythms from behind the solos and stuff. There's different rhythms. Okay, so that kind of gets you going on some rhythm, but we'll talk about these fast killer leads next time. Hope you dig this. Talk to you soon.